welcome to the new tech news episode, and we have some interesting tech news for you guys. And first up is coming from Sony. Sony is entering the all-new drone business and they have announced the all-new professional drone and they call it the Airpeak S1 Drone, which will cost you about $9,000. It has a special kind of gimbal on the bottom which can carry all mirrorless Sony Alpha cameras from the A6400 crop sensor cameras to the latest Sony Alpha 1 8K cameras, the Sony FX3s and also the Sony A7S III cameras. So there will be a whole lot of options available for filmmakers, and you can get some cool and amazing shots using this drone, which looks almost impossible for you to take without the drone. But one downside is that it has a flight time of only up to 12 minutes and it is way too expensive for regular filmmakers. The upcoming OnePlus Nord N200 5G phone specifications are leaked before the launch of this phone, and there is no confirmed release date of this phone yet, but the specs are leaked before the launch. The OnePlus Nord N200 phone might come with a triple rear camera with a 13 megapixels of primary camera and the Snapdragon 480 SoC chip with the 5000 mAh of battery. Some renders of these phones also leaked, and the well-known tipster Evan Blass also shared a complete list of specifications of this phone on his Twitter account. The ViVo's sub-smartphone brand, the IQoo, to launch its first ever rollable, foldable and sliding smartphone. The only foldable smartphone that is available to purchase is from Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip and the Galaxy Fold. We haven't got any renders or release date for these phones, but it is rumored that Vivo is still working on these models. The Oppo and Redmi brands also showed some of the prototypes of the sliding smartphone, but we haven't seen any release of these phones yet. So it will be interesting to see what Vivo will do with these folding and rollable smartphones. So that's it on this tech news episode. Like, share and subscribe, and I will come back with some more tech news on the upcoming episode. So thanks for watching and I will catch you guys in my next video.